Alright everybody, today we're going to be talking about technical service bulletins. This Dodge Journey apparently has several technical service bulletins. A technical service bulletin is not a recall. A technical service bulletin means that there's an issue they're aware of, but it's not a safety issue. The very first one that comes up is the cruise control. I've noticed in the past on my journey that when you turn on the cruise control, one, it doesn't turn on. And if it does turn on, sometimes it won't engage. So there's that. That's technically not a safety issue, but it's something that they are aware of in the software. Number two, suspension. Noise from the front of the vehicle over bumps or when turning. This bulletin involves replacing the upper front strut bearing to correct the noise. I've driven 3 different Dodge Journeys. All 3 of them have had this noise, anywhere from 2012 up until 2017. All of them have this problem. Another one is it affects 275,600 vehicles. The ABS system, the control module, there's a wire that's loose. I don't have that problem. Powertrain control module is another one. Diagnostic and system improvements. This bulletin involves reprogramming the powertrain control module, the PCM. This is another one that I personally have and I haven't replaced yet, is the idler pulley. In cold start conditions, it says, the customer may describe a loud high-frequency noise that happens within 20 seconds of the engine starts and lasts up to 90 seconds. I personally have that problem. I haven't replaced it yet. So there's many technical service bulletins on this. These are just a few that are on here. I have pages of them. Some of them duplicate each other. But that's one thing I want to talk about with this Dodge, is it does have a few of those problems of which that will be taken care of eventually, but they're not safety issues. With that being said, thank you for watching, thank you for liking the video, thanks for commenting down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.